How to verify your Venmo account in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to verify your Venmo account. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to verify your Venmo account, okay? So just follow what I'm going to show you in this video and don't worry or panic because as I told you, these are just some easy steps that you need to follow and you're going to be able to do it or to verify your Venmo account, okay? So now I am going to show you how you can do it. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your phone. Okay, so after going to your phone, you need to go to your Venmo app and open it, okay? Okay, so go directly to it and open it. And after opening your Venmo app, you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do next is to click on the three lines here, okay? You're gonna find these three lines. You just need to click on these three lines. Alright, after clicking on these three lines, you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do is to go directly to settings and click on it, okay? So you're gonna find settings here, just click on it. After clicking on settings, you just need to scroll down until you find identity verification, okay? So this is what we need so we can verify our Venmo account. So you just need to click on identity verification. Okay, after clicking on identity verification, you're gonna find this page. They are saying one-time security check. So this is gonna help to protect your account, okay, from fraud or something like this. So you just need to click on next, and after clicking on next, then you just need to enter some information about you, like your legal name and your social security number, date of birth. That's all, and like this you're gonna be able to verify your Venmo account. As I told you, nothing is complicated or difficult. These are just some simple steps that you need to follow, and then you just need to enter your info, as I told you, like social security number, your legal name and the date of birth, and then you're going to be able to verify your identity, and this will help you to verify your Venmo account. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.